To ensure your renovation meets quality standards and complies with building codes, it's crucial to incorporate project hold points into your plan. These checkpoints are scheduled pauses in the project where work is inspected and approved before moving forward. Establishing hold points allows for early identification and correction of any issues, saving both time and money down the road. Why are project hold points important? Hold points act as a safeguard for both builders and homeowners, ensuring the project meets necessary standards at critical stages. Without these checkpoints, you risk proceeding with work that may need to be torn out or reworked, which could lead to costly delays and disputes. How to implement project hold points effectively. First, identify critical stages. Work with your contractor and a qualified building inspector to determine where hold points should be placed. These are typically major milestones in the renovation process, such as foundation before pouring concrete for footings or slabs, framing after structural framing is complete but before walls are closed, plumbing and electrical rough-ins after pipes, wiring and HVAC systems are installed but before they are covered up, waterproofing before tiling bathrooms or other wet areas, final inspection after all work is completed but before occupancy or handover. Not sure where to place your hold points? Contact Fair Dinkum Projects to help identify key inspection stages and ensure quality control throughout your renovation. Schedule inspections early. Avoid delays by coordinating with inspectors well in advance of each hold point. Be sure to allow extra time in your project timeline for any re-inspections that may be required. Early scheduling will help keep your project on track. Keep your timeline tight and efficient by scheduling inspections ahead of time. Fair Dinkum Projects can guide you through the process and help with proactive planning. Document everything. For your protection, make sure to keep detailed records of all inspections, approvals, and any corrections made. These documents will serve as proof of compliance with local regulations and provide valuable protection in case of any disputes or audits. Protect your project by documenting every inspection and approval. Let Fair Dinkum Projects assist with keeping your records in order and ensuring everything is compliant. Communicate with your team. Clear communication is key. Ensure all parties involved, contractors, inspectors, and subcontractors, understand the importance of hold points and the need to pause work until approvals are obtained. Everyone should be aligned to avoid unnecessary delays. Get your team on the same page with clear communication about hold points. Use hold points as progress payments. Hold points can serve multiple purposes beyond inspections. They can also be strategically aligned with progress payments or used as project cancellation points. By tying hold points to progress payments, you ensure that work is completed and meets agreed upon standards before releasing funds, offering protection for both the builder and the client. For example, a hold point after framing is completed could coincide with a payment milestone, creating a clear incentive for quality and timely work. Similarly, hold points can be used as decision-making checkpoints for project cancellation. If unforeseen issues arise or if the project is no longer viable, these points provide a structured opportunity to pause, evaluate, and potentially terminate the contract before additional costs are incurred. This approach promotes transparency, reduces financial risk, and helps maintain trust between all parties involved. Minimum deposit. A minimum 5% deposit is an excellent initial progress point in a renovation project, demonstrating good faith and commitment from both the builder and the client. For clients, it shows a willingness to move forward and trust in the contractor's expertise. For builders, it provides a small but meaningful financial guarantee to secure scheduling, initial preparations, and materials procurement. This minimal deposit ensures both parties are invested in the project while keeping financial risk low in the early stages. It's a simple yet powerful way to establish a professional and cooperative relationship right from the start. Fair Dinkum Projects can help facilitate smooth coordination and timely inspections. Incorporating project hold points and inspections into your renovation project is a smart way to stay on top of quality and compliance. By ensuring all critical stages are properly reviewed and approved, you reduce the risk of costly errors down the line. Want to streamline your renovation process and keep things on track? Contact Fair Dinkum Projects for expert guidance on inspections, progress payments and more. If you'd like more information about our services, contracts or industry insights, visit our website. The link is in the description below. Be sure to check it out for valuable resources and expert advice.